Introducing Health and Safety in Fergus and how to use it on the website version. This video will provide an overview of the new health and safety features and demonstrate how it works on the web version of Fergus. For a demonstration on how health and safety works on the mobile version, please watch the video titled Health and Safety for Mobile. The purpose of health and safety is to keep our users safe and to help comply with governing health and safety regulations. In terms of design, we've taken the actively managed approach outlined by health and safety regulations for Australia and New Zealand. Health and safety is currently in its early stages and will continue to develop and improve it as part of our commitment to making great software. As usual, your feedback is appreciated, so please let us know what you think through the chat support system. There are two main parts to health and safety: the health and safety page and hazards on a job. The Health and Safety page is found on the main menu. Select the medical icon to go to the Health and Safety page. The menu appears on the left, split into 5 pages. Use meetings to record and view activity about health and safety meetings. Create a new meeting by selecting this New Meeting button. Record title, date, and attendees here. Record minutes here using the text editor. Assign new tasks here and they'll show up here. When you're finished, select Save. All saved meetings live here. Underneath this is SWMS. SWMS is an abbreviation of Safe Work Method Statements and may be called other names as well, like Safe Operating Procedures. A SWM is a document that sets out the high-risk construction work activities to be carried out in a workplace, the hazards arising from these activities, and the measures to be put in place to control the risks. SWMS are used in conjunction with related hazards, which we'll look at in the second part of this video. This is where you'll upload and display your SWMS. These need to be in a PDF file format. Use this search field to locate already loaded SWMS. You'll need to source your own relevant SWMS. Underneath this is datasheets, which is short for safety datasheets. A datasheet is a document that provides information on the properties of a hazardous substance and how they affect health and safety in the workplace. These are also used in conjunction with related hazards, which we'll look at in the second part of this video. This is where you'll load and display your datasheets. Use the search field to locate already loaded datasheets. Underneath this is incidents. This is where you can record and view incidents, accidents, and near misses. Create a new incident by selecting this New Incident button. Record title, type, people, and date here. Record details here using the text editor. Add and view photos here. When you're finished, select Save. All saved incidents live here. Underneath this is Settings. Upload and view your company's health and safety policy here. Enter and view your appointed health and safety officer here. This person is in charge of monitoring workplace health and safety risks and hazards and advises workers and managers on how to minimize or eliminate these risks and hazards. Create a new medical center in your directory by selecting this New Medical Center button. Fill out the form and select Save. This should be a local directory for your staff to easily view when they need it. That covers the first part of health and safety. The second part of health and safety is hazards. We'll now look at recording, viewing, and mitigating hazards on a job. A hazard is anything in the workplace that has the potential to harm people. Hazards can be identified and created in jobs. The purpose of a hazard is to inform all assigned staff members that there is a hazard and to allow staff to view and mitigate hazards. Let's create a hazard in a job. Select Hazards from the Tools menu on the left. Select New Hazard to create a new hazard. Enter a title, a description of the hazard and any other relevant information, and any relevant photos. Search and enter swims from your database here, which we covered in the first part of this video. Search and enter data sheets from your database here, which we also covered in the first part of this video. Once you're done, select Create. All saved hazards live here. Select the drop-down arrow to view the details for the hazard. To mitigate a hazard, select Mitigate Hazard and select the mitigation type. Select the hazard this mitigation is for. Enter a description of what was done to mitigate the hazard and add any related photos. When you're done, select Mitigate. Every hazard on a job needs to be mitigated by all assigned staff. If the hazard doesn't apply to an assigned user, they'll still need to mitigate it and select Not Applicable from the Mitigate Type drop-down menu. Mitigating a hazard shows that it has been actively managed. So that covers the health and safety features on the web version of Fergus. To find out about health and safety on the mobile app, please watch the Health and Safety for Mobile video. Thank you for watching.